Chapter 4. Kusarudza inorwadza. Room yakanga yakanyarara, but not peaceful. It was the kind of silence that presses on your chest, heavy and comfortable. Nyasha akamira pakati pavo. 2 men, 2 worlds, 1 decision. Her hands were shaking. Kuda akatarisa kwaari softly. Nyasha, I didn't come to fight, he said. I just came for you. Those words, dzakabaya. Tinashe akaseka zvishoma. Cold. For her? He asked. Or for yourself? Kuda haana kudzokera shure. I came because I love her. Love? Izwi rimwe chete, but rakachinja everything. Nyasha akavhara maziso. Because hearing it like that, kwakamuvhiringidza. Tinashe, she whispered. He didn't look at her. So this is what it is now, he said. You bring him here, in front of my face. I didn't call him, Nyasha replied quickly. I didn't even know he was coming. Of course, Tinashe nodded slowly. Things just happen around you, right? She said softly. But Tinashe was already gone emotionally. You had a choice, he continued. But you still have one now. Room yakanyarara zvekare. Choose, he said. Just like that. No anger, no shouting, just the truth. Nyasha akasimudza musoro, eyes red. Right now? She asked. Yes, right now. Her heart dropped because she thought she had time. But she didn't. Kuda akafamba zvishoma closer. You don't have to rush, he said gently. I'm not here to pressure you, Tinashe akaseka. Of course, you are not, he said. We already took what was mine. Stop talking like she's property, Kuda snapped. Room yakabva yapisa. Then what is she? Tinashe fired back. A feeling you can come back to any time you want. Nyasha akabata musoro wake. Please, I can't do this. But nobody stopped. Because now, it wasn't about calm anymore. It was about truth. Baba vakasimuka. This is enough. Everyone froze. Young men. Baba vakatarisa Kuda. You come in my house. Unouya kuzoparadza zvinhu. Kuda akamira zvakanaka respectfully. Handisi kuuya kuzoparadza sekuru. I came because ndinomuda. Amai vakabata muromo. Mwana uyu. Baba vakatendeuka kuna Nyasha. Is this true? Nyasha akanyarara. For a moment, she thought of everything. Tinashe, stability, peace. Then Kuda, love, chaos, truth. Her heart was split. She couldn't say it. Not because she didn't know, but because she knew. And saying it would break someone. Then slowly, Tinashe stepped back. I get it, he said quietly. Nyasha akatarisa kwaari. No, but he raised his hand. Don't. His voice calm, too calm. I don't want to hear it from you, he said. That hit harder than shouting. If you can't choose me immediately, he paused. Then you already chose. The whole room was quiet. Nyasha akanzwa moyo wake kubvaruka. Tinashe, please. But he was already walking away, step by step. Amai vakamutarisa. Baba vakanyarara. Dhoo remukati rakavharwa. Bang. Silence. Nyasha akamira ipapo, frozen. Because now, one choice had already been made. Kuda akatarisa kwaari. Nyasha. But she stepped back. No, she whispered. Not ready. Not okay. Not anything. Because love was no longer soft. It was costing her.